A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a bold and controversial move, former President Donald Trump has publicly called for the impeachment of U.S. District Judge James Boasberg, labeling him as a crooked judge in a post on his social media platform. This declaration comes in the wake of a fact-finding hearing that Boasberg conducted regarding the Trump administration's alleged violation of a court order concerning the deportation of over 200 alleged gang members to El Salvador. Trump's remarks have ignited a fierce debate about the boundaries of judicial authority in the executive branch's power, particularly in matters of immigration enforcement. The tension escalated when Judge Boasberg issued a temporary restraining order preventing the Trump administration from deporting non-citizens currently in custody. This order came shortly after Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act in a bid to deport members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua. During the hearing, Boasberg instructed the government to turn around any aircraft that had already departed if they were still in the air, directly challenging the administration's actions. However, sources within the administration indicated that top lawyers concluded Boasberg's order did not apply to flights over international waters, leading to the planes not being turned around as per the judge's directive. Trump took to social media to express his outrage, stating, "This judge, like many of the crooked judges I am forced to appear before, should be impeached." He argued that his immigration policies reflect the will of the voters, emphasizing that the country does not want to harbor vicious, violent, and demented criminals. The former president's comments not only attacked Judge Boasberg's credentials but also questioned the legitimacy of judicial decisions that conflict with his administration's policies. In a response to Trump's incendiary remarks, Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts issued a statement underscoring the long-standing principle that impeachment is not an appropriate remedy for disagreements with judicial decisions. He emphasized that the normal appellate review process exists for such purposes, highlighting a clear divide between the judicial and executive branches of government. This clash raises significant questions about the respect for judicial authority and the potential consequences of politicizing the judiciary. The situation intensified during the hearing, where Judge Boasberg remarked that it was a heck of a stretch for the Trump administration to argue that his order could be disregarded. Deputy Associate Attorney General Abhishek Kambli argued that the judge's directive did not take effect until it was formally documented later that evening. However, Boasberg firmly countered this assertion, stating that the administration was aware of the hearing and should have complied with his verbal directive. As the legal drama unfolds, the Justice Department has found itself in a precarious position, navigating between compliance with judicial orders and the administration's immigration agenda. The department has been reluctant to disclose further information regarding the deportations under the Alien Enemies Act, citing national security concerns. This lack of transparency has drawn criticism from various legal advocates, including the ACLU, who argue that the administration may have violated the court's directive. The implications of Trump's comments and the ongoing legal proceedings could have far-reaching effects on the relationship between the judiciary and the executive branch. As Trump continues to assert his influence over the Republican Party and his base, the potential for further confrontations with the judiciary looms large. Legal experts are closely monitoring the situation, as it raises fundamental questions about the rule of law and the separation of powers in the United States. As the story develops, it remains to be seen how the courts will respond to the administration's actions and whether Trump's calls for impeachment will resonate with his supporters or face backlash from those advocating for judicial independence. The upcoming hearing scheduled for Friday will be crucial in determining the next steps in this contentious legal battle. As both sides prepare to present their arguments in a case that has captured national attention and ignited fierce debate across the political spectrum. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.